Soyez les bienvenus, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Formation civic, because formation civic is very important now, okay? So, one of our objectives is connaître le fonctionnement de la société française, okay? Know how the French society functions here in France, of course. Question. À partir de quel âge peut-on se marier en France? À partir de quel âge peut-on se marier en France? From what age can a person marry in France? A. 16 ans, 16-year-old. B. 18 ans, 18-year-old. C. 21 ans, 21 years old. Ou D. 25 ans, 25 years old. And what is your answer, please? Et la bonne réponse, c'est B. 18 ans ou 18 years old, okay? Same in Philippines, 18 years old. OK, justification. La règle civile française fixe en principe l'âge de mariage à 18 ans. Les autres réponses sont donc incorrectes car elles ne correspondent pas à l'âge légal ordinaire du mariage, okay? The French civil law says the ordinary legal age for marriage at 18, okay? And the other answers were therefore incorrect because they do not match the ordinary legal age for marriage. Okay, so it's only 18 years old you can get married, but before 18 you cannot get married either in à la mairie ou à la mairie ou à l'église aussi. It should be 18-year-old. Ça, c'est pour les Françaises, pour les Français. Okay? In Philippines also, you cannot get married until you are not 18-year-old. Okay? It depends on your nationality and also your religion. Okay? Not all, but this is only in France. Even in Philippines, it's still 18-year-old. What about other countries that we do not know? And especially, it depends also with their religion. Ça dépend leur religion, leur croyance. Okay? So, in France, it's 18-year-old. Okay? And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde.